White base, runway 3, looking for that traffic, 5 Alpha Hotel.
XL Jet 57, contacting its departure, good day.
Over to departure, XL.
Engine should be green, airspeed's alive, 55, there we are. Beautiful, positive rate.
Head tower, so you're 600, holding short, Alpha 1.
Cirrus 80 Yankee, extend down, I'll call your base turn. Traffic may depart prior to arrival citation.
You've got my base, 80 Yankee.
Cirrus 600, Scottsdale Tower, waiting at fire release.
Scottsdale Tower, this is 882 Lima Alpha, about 8 miles southeast, landing with Juliet.
Cessna 09er Mike, left close traffic approved, left cross and turn approved.
Left close traffic approved, 09 Mike.
Cirrus 80 Yankee, base turn approved, runway 3 cleared to land, traffic departs prior to arrival citation.
Clear to land, runway 3, 80 Yankee.
Cessna 882 Lima Alpha, Scottsdale Tower, and a midfield left out, correction, midfield right downwind, runway 3.
Field right downwind, runway 3 for 2 Lima Alpha.
Florida 600, runway 3, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, so
You do the first landing.
November 9 Alpha Foxtrot, you still have serious traffic in sight?
Shake a little rust off, or
I feel like I'm
09 Alpha Foxtrot,
overly
serious
cocky,
traffic
but
in
I
the
think
left
I
base,
got
we're setting up for about 2 miles
Actually, I know I got it. So
let's do it.
Right now, 9 Alpha Foxtrot.
09 Alpha Foxtrot, follow traffic, number 2, runway 3, clear to land.
What's our airspeed
Traffic number
pattern?
2, runway 3, clear to
100.
land.
There we
9 Alpha
go.
Foxtrot.
So I was going to go up a little bit to get
Sweet.
to 2,500 and slow down a little bit on the way.
There you go.
Cessna 09er Mike, number 3, follow correction, Archer, left downwind.
Number 3, looking for the traffic, 09 Mike.
Cirrus 5 Alpha Hotel, you'll be number 4, following a Cessna on the left downwind. If you can, just enter a modified downwind from your present position.
I see
Modified
that
downwind,
But
number
no.
4 of 5 Alpha Hotel.
That one?
Sawyer 600, contacting its departure, good day.
Over to departure, Sawyer 600, good day.
Oh, never mind. There it is right there. You see it?
No. Oh, yeah, okay.
Cool.
Cessna 09er Mike, the Archer's just ahead and to your left.
I have it in sight, 09 Mike.
09er Mike, runner number 2, runway 3, clear, touch and go.
Runway 3, clear touch and go, 09 Mike.
Two Lima Alphas turning right downwind for runway 3.
Sir, 2 Lima Alpha, roger, you're currently number 4 to the runway.
Number 4 towards the runway, 2 Lima Alpha.
And Tower Plata 606, Bravo Sierra, approaching runway 3 at Alpha. We're ready for departure.
Plata 606, Bravo Sierra, Scottsdale Tower, hold short, runway 3.
Hold short, runway 3, 6 Bravo Sierra.
Cirrus 5 Alpha Hotel, your traffic follows ahead and to your right, to Cessna, left base.
Traffic in sight, 5 Alpha Hotel.
Number 5 Alpha Hotel, follow traffic, runway 3, cleared to land.
Runway 3, clear to land, following traffic, 5 Alpha Hotel.
Cirrus 8 Sierra Yankee, turn right, Bravo 10, taxi 2 signature via Bravo, monitor ground as you go.
Bravo, monitor ground, 8 Sierra Yankee.
Okay, so you see that crosswind, right? You feel that?
Yeah.
So
not
a little
available.
bit of left aileron, a little bit of right rudder, or left rudder, right
2
aileron.
Lima Alpha,
There you
can
go.
you call our base?
Says 2 Lima Alpha, you're number
Get that
3 to
nice
follow
little crab
Cirrus.
angle
They're just turning right base, setting up for 3 mile final.
2 Lima Alpha, looking for that guy.
There 9 Alpha Fox, at turn left Alpha 6, you can taxi straight across from the ramp.
Alpha 6 is straight across. See ya. 9 Alpha Foxtrot.
See ya. That's 2 Lima Alpha, Series traffic just off your right side now, about a mile.
We have traffic sight 2 Lima Alpha.
That's 2 Lima Alpha, if you can start your base turn, your number 3, runway 3, clear to land.
For land for 2 Lima Alpha.
Scottsdale Tower, helicopter TV-15 at taxiway Greenway with Juliet for a stick departure.
TV-15, Scottsdale Tower, departure from the ramp will be at your own risk, hold west of the runway.
Hold left for TV-15.
Scottsdale Airport 6, correction, Scottsdale Air Tower, 605 Charlie Mike, left downwind for runway 3.
Gulfstream 605 Charlie Mike, Scottsdale Tower, make left traffic runway 3, start reducing the final approach speed. Your number 3 to follow Cessna in the right base.
605 Charlie Mike, roger, we'll start our descent and understand we're number 3 for runway 3.
And TV-15, you can cross the runway at your discretion.
Cross the runway for TV-15.
Scottsdale Tower, Sirius 929 Hotel Golf, holding short runway 3, ready for VFR departure, headed north.
Cessna 09er Mike, extend upwind 1 mile, then make left close traffic.
Extend upwind 1 mile and then enter closed traffic, 09 Mike.
There's 199 Hotel Golf, Scottsdale Tower, hold